Dear students, now we will see fourth part of unit 3, that is statement conclusion. So conclusion means a fact that can be truly inferred from the contents of a given sentence or passage. Like we are writing the conclusion in our experiment also. So that is the conclusion. The questions in this section thus consist of statements and group of statement followed by certain inference based on the fact contained in the given statement. So the student is required to analyze the given statement, understand their indirect implication, and then decide which of the given conclusion follows logically. Okay, so here in this type of questions a statement is given followed by two conclusions. The candidate or the student is required to find out which of these conclusions definitely follows from the given statement. So we will see some examples. So here in the examples a question is given. In these questions a statement is given followed by two conclusions, first and second. So we have to give the answer A if only conclusion 1 follows. We have to give the answer B if only conclusion 2 follows. We have to give the answer C if either 1 or 2 follows. We have to give the answer D if neither 1 or nor 2 follows, and we have to give the answer E if both 1 and 2 follows. So the first statement is sealed tenders are invited from the competent contractors experienced in executing constructions jobs. Okay, and the conclusions given are tenders are invited only from the experienced contractors and it is difficult to find the competent tenders in construction jobs. Okay, so according to the statement, the first statement is the first conclusion will be followed, that is tenders are invited from the experienced contractors, but to finding the competent tenders in construction job is difficult is not stated in the statement, so only the conclusion will be followed. For this purpose the answer is A. Second statement is the distance of 900 km by road between Bombay and Jafra will be reduced by to 280 km by sea. So this will lead to saving of rupees 792 crores per annum on fuel. Okay, so the conclusion drawn are the transportation by sea is cheaper than by road, and the second is fuel must be saved to the greatest extent. Okay, so according to the statement the first conclusion is not followed because the sea transport is cheaper than road transport. In the case of route from Bombay to Jafra is not in all cases, but the conclusion 2 will be followed as fuel must be saved to the greater extent. So the conclusion 2 will be followed. So the answer is B. Third statement is the manager humiliated Sachin in the presence of his colleagues. Conclusions are the manager did not like Sachin, and the second conclusion is Sachin was not popular with his colleagues. So here none of the given conclusion will be followed according to the statement. So the answer is D. Next statement is any young man who makes dowry as a condition for marriage discredits himself and dishonors womanhood. So the conclusions are those who take dowry in marriage should be condemned in by society, and the second conclusion is those who do not take dowry in marriage respect womanhood. Okay, so clearly from the statement this statement declares that the young man who makes dowry as a condition for marriage, so it discredits himself and dishonors womanhood. So according to that statement both the conclusion will be followed. First is those who take dowry in marriage about be condemned by society, and the second conclusion is those who do not take dowry in marriage respect womanhood. So here both the conclusion will be followed. So the answer is E. Okay, so thank you so much. This is the statement and conclusion.